Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2018 Toyota Sienna LE. I'm going to be replacing the battery, and I'm going to show you how I save the memory while replacing the battery. Because these are the tools that I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a jumper pack, also used as a memory saver. This is my adapter. I'm going to be hooking up my memory saver to the OBD2 connector. This is a battery carrier, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 10mm socket, 10mm wrench, battery terminal cleaner, and a battery terminal protector. This is the battery I'm going to be installing today on this Sienna van. So before we remove the battery, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to put my portable jumper pack onto this car, hook it up to the OBD2 connector to power the vehicle with 12 volts. Because if I don't, when I disconnect the battery, I'm going to lose the memory on the radio and then your computer. And in some cases, when you start it up, it might not idle good for a while. So to eliminate all of that problems, I'm going to be powering the system with 12 volts. So first we're going to be connecting my adapter to the OBD2 connector. Okay, so I'm going to be plugging this guy right into my power pack, my 12 volt power pack. Okay, so now I can remove the battery. So if you don't have a memory saver, a battery pack, then what you need to do is you need to remove the negative first and then the positive. And when you put it back together, you got to put the positive first and then the negative. The reason why is if you take out the positive first and your wrench touches somewhere, you know, like a piece of metal on the body or the engine, then it might short out. So remove your negative first and then remove your positive. That's only if you don't have a memory saver. Okay, so we're going to be removing the battery. Removing the positive terminal. We're going to be removing the negative terminal. So we're going to be removing the battery hold down. Okay, so you gotta remember, right now the car has 12 volts because of the battery pack. So you gotta be careful whenever you're taking off the positive. You don't want any part of the wrench or the cable to touch any metal part of the body or the engine, because you have 12 volts, and if you do that, then you're gonna probably burn the fuse on the battery pack. So I'm going to be putting on the battery hold down first. Okay, there's a hole down here where you're going to hook this J bolt to. So you got to find the hole. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is gonna be cleaning the battery terminals. with this battery terminal cleaner. Okay. Installing the positive. Okay, so now we're gonna spray on some battery sealant so it doesn't corrode. Now we're going to start up the engine, but before we start them up, I got to remove the memory saver. Okay, so I'm going to be removing my battery pack, my memory saver. Okay, I removed the memory saver. Now I'm going to start up the car. Make sure your charging light doesn't come on the dash, and you should be good to go. So that's how you replace a battery without losing your memory. If this is the first time watching my video, please subscribe, tell your friends and family, and give me the like button. Aloha.